trying to figure out what to make for dinner tonight. It's another middle of the week dinner. Don't want to do anything too crazy. And after contemplating this for a little bit, I decided I want grilled cheese with tomato soup. And the cook gets to pick, right? So I'm not talking about your regular old out of a can tomato soup or out of a cellophane packed grilled cheese. I want the good stuff. And going back in my brain, I remembered a recipe I had that is a dairy-free tomato soup, but it's super creamy. So I think that's what we're gonna do tonight. Hi, ladies. Hi, Marge. How are you? Frito, how you doing? Good? Hi. Yeah, hi. Casey's always up for some snuggles. Oh, it's a little windy out here today. Yeah? Look at yourself. Say hi. Casey likes to just chill with me. Yeah? Hi. Uh-huh. Okay. Hi guys, Monica here with the Auburn Hill Homestead, coming at you with another recipe idea. It seems like recipes are kind of my thing on this channel, so we're gonna go with another one. Just make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep getting more ideas. This is a recipe that can be made dairy-free, which is great because I have a lactose intolerant kiddo, so I try to always find recipes that can go either way. And it also has a lot of protein in it, even though it's vegetarian. So stay tuned to the video and the recipe and you'll see exactly how you get that protein in there and to make it nice and creamy while being dairy-free. If you do not need to be completely dairy-free, butter is a great option here. about 30 ounces of tomatoes and all their liquid. Canned works, but I use ones that I have frozen from my garden. It does not matter if they still have their skin. I missed recording this part, but at this point you want to add in half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt. Chicken broth works fine here too if you do not have a vegetarian preference. Now just let it simmer for about 15 minutes. You can leave a little bit of broth and onions in the pot to give the soup some texture. When cutting fresh baked bread, flip the bread out and leave it upside down. Slice it this way too. This prevents the top of the bread from getting smushed down. Fresh bread tends to slice thicker. Do your best to slice it a little thinner so it grills up nicely. I'll let you in on a little secret that my sister-in-law taught me. Instead of using butter on the outside, mayonnaise. And I use avocado mayonnaise with a hint of lime, and with the Swiss Gruyere cheese that you put inside. Oh, so good. For me, it's just easier to spread with a spoon. We have found a few vegan cheeses that work for grilled cheese, but they are few and far between. Aldi is our best option for those. I go ahead and start that on a cold pan and just put it on a medium heat, because I don't want the outside to burn and get too overdone before the cheese in the middle melts nice and gooey. The bread that I'm using for the grilled cheese sandwiches is a version of what I had posted last week with the savory einkorn bread. If you want to go ahead and see a recipe for the plain bread, go ahead and just comment down below and I'll get a video up and running.